Score 16-4.
Kuya Ran, nindot ko yung record, hindi naka-record to kanina.
Hindi ba?
Ngayon ko lang pinindot.
Oo. Saan yung mga team foul?
Oo.
Back to the ball game. South second quarter. Black ball. Oh, yan. Arrow check. Yan.
Kakain na talaga.
Number 26. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1 pass to number 26. Outside. Number 0, dribbling the ball, pass to number 22, K3, no good. Rebound by number 2, pass to number, no good. Rebound by number 88, pass to number 8, number 8, 2 points. Number 1, dribbling the ball, number 1, pass to number 26 attacking. Steal by number 5. Number 5 pass to number 8. Number 8 pass to number 0. No good. Number 26. Rebound number 24. 24 pass to number 88. Number 88. 2 points by number 88. Bustamante. Number 0. Dribbling the ball. 0. Pass to number 8. Number 8 pass to number 22. 22 attacking. Pass to number 5. Number 5 pass to 0. 0 attacking. Pass to number 32. 3. No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 0. 0 to number 3 points. 3 points by number 0. Number 26. Foul. Number 0.
Saan yung team foul mo?
Yung nasa yun.
Hindi, saan ko lalagay? Sinong foul yun? Like,
Yung left. Nasa yun.
Number 94. Number 1 coming. Penalty foul. Penalty foul number 1. Opaneros, penalty foul.
saan ba sila?
Number 0. Number 0 coming. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Number 5 pass to 0. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 22. Number 22. To take 2. No good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Corresponding. Many times. 7 minutes and 2 seconds. Number 0. Number 0 attacking. Pass to number 22. 22. Light ball. Out of bounds. Light ball. Number 2 pass to number 8. Out of bounds. Stepping on the line. Score 21-8 in favor of VIP. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Number 1. Defensive foul again by number 1. Defensive foul. Number 1. Second personal fouls. 17 foul.
Hindi. Team foul ko, team foul lang. 21-8.
score 21-8. Timeout Black Pañeros.
Let's play. Offensive. Rep. Offensive foul.
Offensive.
26. Nagdagaw isa, no? Sila.
Number 26, second personal foul. Third team foul.
Kanino sama?
Blue ball.
Lower the shoulder.
Number 2. Number 0, pass to number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Defensive foul. Number 18. Ilan yan po? Number 18, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 1. Number 1, dribbling the ball, pass to number 26, number 36. Tagging 2 points by number 26. Number 0. 0 dribbling the ball, pass to number 8. Number 8, back to number 0. 0 tagging, pass to number 8. 3, no good. Rebound by number 26. 26, dribbling the ball. Foul. Foul number 0. Number 0, second personal foul, third team foul. Number 1. Number 1 attacking, no good. Number 4, no good. Rebound by number 2. Oops.
What is it? Arbo! Wala ba? Players, takit.
Out of bounds, black ball. VIP, takin po tayo. Players, takin. Number 1. Number 1, in the ball. Foul. Number 18. Number 18, second personal foul, 14 foul. Number 26. Number 24, attacking. Foul. Number 18. Penalty. Number 18, third personal foul. Penalty. First shot, basket. Second shot. Basket. Score 22-12, favor of VIP. Ready time, 1 minute and 32 seconds. Number 0 for 3. No good. Number 18. Number 18. Still by number 8. Number 8 pass to number 5. Number 5. Moving the ball pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Foul. Foul number 98. 88. Bustamante. Number 88, second personal foul, 14 foul.
Sabi mo,
14 foul.
Second attempt. Basket. Number 26, Padilla, leading the ball. Padilla attacking, pass to number one. Foul. Number 2, penalty. Number 2, first personal foul. Penalty again. Many time, 10 seconds. First shot, basket. Second 10, basket. Score 24-14, end of the second quarter.
Ano yung reset yung
Ano, pindutin mo na yung
bola ka muna, magiging zero yan. Abot tayo sa bola. Kala ko!
Anong third na, no? Third. Ano to?
Ibaw data. Paksopong na lang kaya sa hiliman na lang. Kaya ko siya tatalo. Pero may na ako nito.
Second half. Blue ball.
At black ball red.
Paneros ball.
Hindi. Paneros. Meron kaming ano, rep. Meron kaming arrow. Paneros ball.
inyo nga, bola.
No, Paneros ball. Yeah, dito. Bali dito kasi change court, diba?
Paneros ball. Paneros ball.
Blue daw. Kasi nagkaroon din. Mga yung panyero daw.
Blue daw, blue.
Ang galit niya.
Solid fourth quarter. 0-2, no good. Rebound by number 26. Foul. Number 0. Number 0, third personal foul. First team foul. Sub. Substitution. 0 out, number 5 in. Number 88, Bustamante. Pass to number one attacking. 2 points by number 1. Number 5, jigging ball. Number 5.
Plus 14.
Number 5, 3 points for number 5. Number 26, attacking. 2 points. Number 26, Jason Padilla. Number 5. Number 5, pass to number 8. Kick ball.
Rep, what's the call? Rep, what's the call?
Number 1, still number 1 attacking, pass to number 26. Foul counted. Foul number 16. First shot, no good. Rebound by number 8. Number 5. Number 5, losing the ball. Pass to number 1. Steal by number 24. Pass to number 1. Attacking. 2
Tama, 27-22.
Score 27-22 in favor of VIP. Number 5. Third personal foul. Number 18, third personal foul, VIP. Mamaya na ulit. Back to the ball game. 27-22 in favor of VIP. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 35 seconds.
Pero yan,
Number 5, Rojas. Rojas pass to number 22. 22 dribbling the ball. Attacking. 22. Okay. 24 rebound. Pass to number 26. Pass to number outside. Sub. Sa committee po, mag-sub committee. 16 out, number 2 in. Number 5, pass to number 22. 22 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 22. 3, no good. Number 18, pass to number 26. 26, Padilla attacking. Still by number 2. Number 2 attacking number 2. Blocking foul, number 24. 24. Number 24, first personal foul, first team foul.
Tell them to go back, okay?
First attack, no good. Second attempt. Basket. Score 28-22, favor of VIP. Number 26 attacking. Foul. Shooting 2. Foul number 2. Number 2, second personal foul, third team foul. First shot, no good.
Kasablay sa... Wala naman din nanood po eh.
Second attempt, basket. Score 23-28. Number 26 still another 26 pass to number 1. Number 1 attacking. Foul. Foul number 22. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Shooting 2. First attempt, basket. Second shot. No good. Rebound by number 22. 22. Dribbling the ball. Number 22. Number 22. Foul, number 26. Third personal foul, second team foul. Number 8, 2 points, no good. Number 26. Number 26, dribbling the ball. Number 26, attacking. Pass to number 1, number 1. Traveling without passport. Number 22. Number 22, dribbling ball. Number 22. Pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 8. Number 8. Steal by number 18. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1 attacking on the way. Not good. Rebound by number 26. Padilla. 26, pass to number 18. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24. 24. 24. Dribbling the ball. 24. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Attacking. Pass to number 18. 3 seconds violation. Number 22. 22 dribbling the ball. Traveling violation by number 22. Number 24. Number 24 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 26. Jason. Pass. Screen by number 18. Defensive foul. Moving screen by number 18. Number 18. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Score 28-24. In favor of VIP. Remaining time 42 seconds. Number 5. Still by number 26. Out of bounds. But number 5 dribbling the ball. Number 5 pass to number 8. Number 8 pass to number 2. Pass to number 18. No good. Number 26 pass to number 1. Number 1. 2 points. Number 8. Number 8 attacking. Still by number 24. Number 26. Still by number 22. 3 points. Score 31-26 in favor of VIP. Score 31-26 in favor of VIP. Fourth quarter. VIP. Tuck in. VIP, tuck in ang uniform. Tuck in. Ayaw.
Kasi naiintindihan eh.
Hey, Mike. Number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 88. Number 88. Pass to number 1. Back to number 1. No good. Number 16. 18. Pass to number 0. 0 hitting the ball. 0. Number 0. Number 0 hitting the ball. Outside. Takin daw, takin.
Ano yung warning?
Okay, may warning. Tanong na. Number 2. Number 26. Number 26. 2 points for number 26. Number 0, dribbling the ball. Number 4. 2 points for number 0. Number 24. Number 88. Number 88 is another pass to number 1. Foul and 1. Number 0. Oh, number 0. Fourth personal foul. First team foul.
Boss, fourth na isira. Fourth.
Remaining time. Then shot, basket. Score 33-31, favor of still VIP. Number 0, dribbling the ball. Number 0, pass to number 22. Serving, substitution. Number 0 out, number 5 in. Number 18. 88, pass to number 24. Number 24, pass to number 88. Number 26. Still. Pass to number 1, number 1. 2 points for number 1. Score, all about now, 33-all. Still. Foul. Number 88, substitution, rep.
Sino sa? Gana po si
Bustamante, fourth personal foul. Number 5, number 22, pass to number 2. Foul, number 24. Number 5, tuck in po tayo, Rojas, tuck in. Rojas, tuck in, tuck in.
Bro.
Number 24, second personal foul, second team foul. First shot, no good.
Watch out.
Second shot, no good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 26. Number 26 attacking. Pass to number 1. 2 points by number 1. Change favor.
Time out, Alex. Time out.
Number 22, 2 points, no good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. Number 24 hitting the ball. Number 1 attacking. Number 1. Pass to number, still by number 18. Pass to number 6, still by number 2. Number 2. By number 26. Time out, VIP. Score 33-35 in favor of Paneros. Remaining time 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Oi, coach!
Hey! Light ball. Light ball again. Number 2, pass to number 22, 22 pass to number 16, number 16 pass to number 5, Boas, Ross, dribbling the ball, pass to number 18. 10 seconds shot back. 2 points by number 18. Number 26, pass to number 1. 10 seconds shot back. Number 1 attacking. Pass to number 6. No good. Rebound by number 26. 2 points by number 26, Padilla. Score 37-35. Out of bounds. Substitution. Number
Is out, number 18.
number 24. Score 39-35 in favor of Taños. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Number 5, pass to number 16. Number 16, 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1 attacking. 2 points for number 1. Number 5, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 5. 2 points. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 26. Pass to number 1. Number 1, hitting the ball. Number 1. Steal by number 2. Number 2, hitting the ball. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 5 for 3. No good. 24 rebound. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 1. 2 points by number 1. Score 43-35.
Dire-diretso yung oras eh. Hindi nyo i-stop. Kada shoot stop yan. Kada shoot stop yan. Kada shoot 2 minutes. Stop sa...
5 to 4. Number 26.
Stay!
37 na kami.
Foul. Score it.
Hey, Van.
8. Timeout. Line. Substitution.
Bakit magdadagdag ng 5 seconds?
Hindi na stop yung block.
Hindi naman niya kasalanan yun. Dire-diretso yung ano.
5 seconds na. Hindi naman dead. Paano yun eh? Nandun na referee oh. Ref! Ay, tanong natin sila. Ref! T-shirt ko na rin eh.
Rep. Question.
So, kada shoot, stop time din. Kada shoot, pag na-shoot, stop time natin.
We will raise our hand. Yeah. We put it down. Start ang lock.
All good.
Stop. Start. Stop. Start. Every shot. Stop.
Yeah.
5 seconds na 5 seconds.
Tuloy na daw.
That's not 5 seconds.
Minute yata eh.
Here. Number 1. Foul. Offensive foul. Number 1. Number 1. Third personal foul. 14 by substitution. number 8 out. Number 0, take 2, no good. Rebound by number 22. Number 22, out of bounds. Next time, 39 seconds. 24, passing number 26, Fabiola. Number 24. Pass number 1, Pass number 10, no good. Last touch, black ball. Score 37-43. Light ball, outbound. Remaining time, 12 seconds. Number 18, 2 points. Score 45-39.
Best player, Marvin. Samson.
Best player, Samson. Number 1, best player. 22 points. And that's it, boss.
Plain bucket.
Pero player of the game ko si Padilla.
Napahapit ako nung unang laro yung GDG. Malalakas yun. Unang laro. Dalawa pa laro. Isang team ang isa. Alin? Pang-Bebe rin yung sinunto nito. Ha? Ito sa Pang-Bebe. Saka
Dual, sino na tayo?
yung una. First game.
Panyero! Panyero, picture daw po. Panyeros, Team Panyero.
Idol.
Dati.
Idol.
BMS. GDG Will. Isa ay... Saan? Dito din. Dito GDG Will sa tanong. Dalawa yun eh. BMS. Tapos yung tapos si Gray. Mas yung pala BMS. Tapos Gray. Ikaw naman dito. Hindi ako sikat. Hindi ka sa perfect. Lighter. Meron ako yan.
3 minutes, 21 seconds, warm up. Both team warm up.
Puta si Banano kaya may chikinini.
Hindi ka.
Kalmut kanina, chikinini. Yan o, sa liig. Hey, Rep, do you think this one is a...
No foul, scratch.
No, oh, this is kiss mark. Kiss mark, kiss mark. Do you think?
That's a love boy.
Yeah. Not bad.
It's a love boy.
Scratch for basketball.
Uh-huh.
The ref forgot to call it foul.
No, I know what is this.
Both team captain, punta po dito sa ano. Sa first half, team captain, both teams. Punta po dito sa official table. Team captain, perfect edge. Team VIP, picture daw po sa gitna, picture sa gitna, Team VIP. Team VIP, team
Yung
picture.
pala yung isa, Sig Migration. Sig Migration, Sig Migration, GDG wins.
Perfect catch.
Sig Migration, laglag na. Pero lumabang pa na, napalabang pa
Perfect
ng semi.
catch. Team captain.
Tapos yung GDG wins, kami lumaban ng championship.
Lasing
Tapos screen naman, hindi kami nakapasok. Dahil lang
Nag-shoot, stop time.
Sige, dito ako ngayon.
Okay lang, gano'n lang ako.
Ikaw na lang mag-play by play.
Gano'n lang sir.
Basta pag ang tatandaan niyo, ang kamay ng referee pag nasa taas, stop. Pag binaba, start. Stop, start.
Pag ka lang mahigit po rin.
Pre, piliin natin.
Kaya titingin kayo.
Namimiss ko pare yung iyong croissant. Croissant mo, pati yung tart. Hindi pala, hindi ko nasasabihin yung tart. Dahil matakaw ng tart yan eh. Pre, may matakaw ng tart.
Iwas na lang.
Kita mo, piliin nga. At nginasap.
Sino? Si Mata? Nag-cellphone na yung mga tao.
Okay lang ako dito.
Dapat dito ba ako?
Hindi, hanapin ko eh.
10 seconds.
Mag-ari-pari hindi sila nakanig dito. Itutupi ito kung
Oo, doon ka na barangay. Talo kayo.
araw-araw.
First five.
Sir, reminder lang po, pag po yung may substitution, dito lang po kayo sa harapan uupo para kita po ng committee. Pasuyo na po, voting, DFS sa
Arrow.
RPH.